Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for the week ending Friday, May the 29th, 2020. Another month down the drain, gone. Bring on the new one. We've had a larger than normal interest in our Coach's Corner service since the pandemic. Just lots of questions and about what we provide and so on. So like in this video, I'll talk about that, but I'll also show you an actual trade example from this past week, and then hopefully you'll have a more clear understanding about how we trade, who we are, that kind of thing. Okay, so let's get to it. So as for our Coach's Corner service, let me just bring it up right here. So there's a link to the Coach's Corner at the bottom of this email or in the text below this video. We actually have a basic service and a premium service, and here you can just compare them to each other, go down the list here and see what they include. Everybody gets the PMA videos, etc., but down here is where it differs. You can have a look at that. The biggest and most significant difference is that there is a live chat room that requires constant monitoring so that members can ask questions on the fly. There are premium service chart screenshots. Those are really good, that need updating regularly for day trades, swing trades, trade management, etc. And then Darko does short micro videos that he posts in response to a member question that's easier to show in a video than to try and explain by a text. So obviously a lot of extra work involved for the premium service, but the big feature in the Coach's Corner is the pre-market analysis videos, which everyone gets regardless of membership type. Darko does them every single day. I'm not kidding you, and he hasn't missed one in over 2.5 years. Okay, not one. And he scans 28 currency pairs every day looking for trades that set up according to our rules, and he lets all of our members know about it. So I'll just show you one from this week, just an illustration of what how it all works. And this was on a British pound Japanese yen pair. Actually, let me show you the screenshot first. It's right here. This is the British pound Japanese yen, and we're at this really nice level of daily resistance right here, you see. So he's looking for price to go down and then to bounce back up off of this level of probable support. Not necessarily, we never know, but so, and here is the exact trade that he showed everybody. So just price was down here when he recorded this. We still hadn't come up to get filled right here, and I'll just show you on my charts what happened here. It's I'll just bring up the hourly chart. This is the resistance level he was showing, and the sell was up in here, and the risk was 33 pips. And this was the move down, and this was that daily level I showed you, which is probably going to be support, and look what happened. So, this is an ideal trade. Obviously, we have losses too once in a while, but this is, was a 33 pip loss, just over a 2-to-1 reward risk trade. So, pretty good. Now, I got to tell you, this has been a very slow month in terms of trades getting filled. January through April were really good. Positive results each month based on the PMA videos. And since we have very defined rules of engagement for trading, when there isn't a setup, it's easy for us. We just simply don't trade. We wait. But I tell you this, it still takes the same daily effort by Darko to produce the daily PMAs. So unfortunately, less trades, it doesn't mean less work. We wish, right? But in fact, it's probably the opposite. But one thing about Darko is that he wears his heart on his sleeve, and he is dead honest with everybody about what he's doing, what's going on. And I'll tell you something, I'm going to, a little confession here, and Darko is going to talk to our members about this too. He realized that he missed 2 to 4 trades in May. And I was just talking to him earlier today, and he is really upset with himself for missing those trades, like really upset, because he never, ever hindsight coaches. Okay, he doesn't show you what you could have done after it's already happened. Anybody can do that. And that's the great value of our service. We show everything in advance. But to miss a trade that was a good setup, that bothers him a lot. See, the thing is, everything Darko does is for our members' benefit. He is dedicated beyond belief. And so he puts a very high demand on himself to perform because they put their money and their trust in us to help them with their trading development. So he expects to never miss trading opportunities. Well, trust me, it happens to everyone. But I tell you what, he certainly doesn't care about anyone else missing a trade. It's himself that he expects high performance from. And for over 2.5 years, he has delivered high performance in spades. It's been really impressive. So I just wanted to share that with you so that you know the kind of person that you're dealing with in our Coaches Corner service. We have all sorts of testimonials, but you will not find a more dedicated and harder working coach than Darko if you're looking to trade the Forex markets. So I hope you learned a little bit more about how we trade around support resistance, our use of stops and profit targets, etc. And very importantly, who you're dealing with. I think it's important to have a level of trust and comfort in whoever it is that you're going to be working with. If you like this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up, and just by hitting the like button. And be sure to follow us so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. We always produce one for the end of each week, but sometimes we'll put out a video at the beginning of the week. Actually, Darko's been putting out some great ones lately, so be sure to catch those. Thanks so much, everybody. Thank you all for watching our videos. If you have any questions, just ask. I'd be more than happy to get back to you. Take care.